Hello guys, in this video let us check out a really cool web camera, which is the OBSBOT 4K web camera. OBSBOT is known to create some unique tech products. We have with us the OBSBOT Tiny 2 web camera, which is an AI powered 4K web camera, which is really cool. And you can see it states what's inside the box, and it tells that we have a OBSBOT Tiny 2 web camera, adjustable mount, USB Type-C cable, etc. So you can pause the video and read it. So opening up, you can see we have a QR code where you can scan and get help if you require that. And inside this we have a nice case wherein you have the camera inside. That you may have some documentation, and this basically tells new era of webcam. Here you have the user manual and the warranty policy of this web camera. So opening up, this is what we have inside the box. So we have the camera itself, the wire and the mount, and we have some other USB accessories here. So this is what we have inside the box, and overall we would say the packaging is top notch and the box is also very good quality. Here we have the high quality USB Type-C cable, an additional USB converter cable, the camera itself, and the mount for the camera. So this is a magnetic mount. And you can see if I press this, you can see it just gets attached, and that's really nice. And you can just attach this camera anywhere and you can use it. You can see we have a stabilization as well. If I tilt this, you can see this, we have a stabilization, and this is very smooth as well. So like this, you can just set up the mount anywhere and set the camera. Taking a quick look at the Tiny 2, you can see it says about Tiny 2 and it says the parts information. And you have the Type-C charger and you have the connection port, etc. And this tells how you can set up this. You can place this on your monitor, and like this you can use it, or you can use it on your laptop as well. We'll use it on our laptop and we'll show that in a minute. So with the AI features, you can see it also has the sleep feature wherein you can just tilt it down and this will basically sleep, which is quite cool. And it says we have the gesture as well. So you can see it has gesture control 2.0, which tells how you can control this camera. So with gestures, you can just take photos and you can zoom, etc. So you can see how this is how you use that. And for dynamic zoom, you have to use this gesture, which is raising two hands. And you can also use the voice control, which is quite nice. So you can see there are a lot of AI capabilities in this camera. You can read the other information of this camera as well. It basically tells the other features such as human tracking, group mode, hand tracking, whiteboard mode, desk mode. And it tells the indicated descriptions like this. So you can just read the documentation fully, and this will be very useful. We have set the camera like this on our laptop, and you can see it sits very properly and it's quite nicely fitted well. And it is a really useful camera, and it really makes your meetings and your video calls really enjoyable, as it's ultra clear in 4K, and this is really nice. So now let's say you're done with your work and you want your camera should be unplugged. You can just tell sleep tiny, and you can see this basically this will go to sleep mode. And if you want to wake it up, just say hi tiny. So you can see how cool is that. It basically listens to your voice commands and then does accordingly. See, in the sleeping mode, the camera is not at all activated, so I'm gonna activate it. Hi tiny. Hi tiny. You can see it gets activated, and I'm getting the video feed now. And let me say track me. So now if I want the camera to track, I want this to track me, so I'm gonna say track me. And you can see it started to track me now. And so if I go this side further, you can see it's going to tilt it. If I go up, it is going to come up, and if I sit down, it's going to track me. So basically this is a really cool tracking that it keeps on tracking. If I want it to untrack me, I'm going to just say unblock me. Unblock me. And you can see now it will not track me. So even if I move this side or go up or just stand up, this is not gonna track me, and this is gonna stay at the same place. Guys, that was a really quick unboxing and overview video of the OBSBOT Tiny 2. Now we have used this camera for some time and really enjoyed this camera, and we're gonna post the full review of this camera very soon. If you're interested in purchasing the same, link to a purchase will be in the description where you can go and buy it. If you're looking to get an AI camera and you use your camera for video calls a lot, this would be an amazing camera, and you can even gift it to someone and they'll be really happy with it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you guys soon in the next video.